What page is that? 567. Okay, 567. Let's read the story problem again. Ready? Fingers on the text. A bumblebee is 0.75 or 75 hundredths of an inch long. A hornet is 0.8 or 8/10 of an inch long. Which insect is longer? Let's use our cube strategy and circle. I'm going to box the word bumblebee. And I'm going to write the first decimal, and I'm going to put bumblebee over the top of that to label it so I can keep track of information. The next one is 0.8, and that one is a hornet. Okay, what number is sitting right here that's invisible, Sawyer? What number is sitting next to the 8 that's invisible, that's just not there? 0, so put that 0 in. Okay, when I'm comparing numbers, I look at the first one in the tenths because I know that tenths is a bigger number than hundredths. I know when I'm thinking about dollars, I know that tenths would mean that this is 70 cents plus 5 cents, right? And I know that when I look at this 8 right here, this is in the tenths place. So 80 cents plus, there's no pennies. There's nothing in the hundredths. Okay? All right, so which one's greater? Is 75 cents more or 80 cents, Eli? 80 cents. Put your Pac-Man going that direction. All right, so we did decimal form. Let's do fraction. I've been using the word hundredths. Is it out a hundredths position? Show me with your thumbs. Do you think this is showing hundredths or tenths? If it's tenths, give me a thumbs up. It's not in tenths, right? Is it in hundredths? Can I hear you say hundredths and spit on your neighbor? Hundredths. Thumbs up. If you said the word hundredths, I know that the fraction form has to be over top of 100. If the decimals match, I don't really care because once they match, I can just look at the numerator. Jocelyn, is 80 more than 75? Put it this direction. Draw your Pac-Man. All right, you should have a digital model open. Your digital model will look something like this. I'm using rods, so I should have 7 of those because they're worth how many points is that worth? How many parts, pieces is 70, class? How many is 1 rod worth? 10. Say it again? 10. All right, so I need 5, 6, 7, and 5 singlets. Over here, I'm going to put 8. Which one is greater? 8 is greater than 75. How did that go? Turn the page.
It was easy.
We're on 7. It says, help me read, which is greater, 0.9 or 9/10 or 0.92, which is 92 hundredths. Show how you can use fractions to solve the problem. Show your work. Decimal. Can you see that there's just a 0 sitting there they didn't draw in for you? So it's still 9/10. That's still 9/10, which is equivalent to 90 because 9 times 10 is 90. And I'm comparing it to 0.92. All right, 9 and 9 is both 90 cents. But one friend has 2 extra pennies, so he has more money, right? 92 cents is more than 90 cents. All right, if it's in hundredths place, Then I put 90 over 100 and 92 over 100. Again, 90 hundredths is greater than 90 hundredths. And then to draw the model, I'm going to draw it right over the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rods, so 9 times 10 is 90. Compared to, let's make that a different color. Compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 little singlets. How'd that go? Nice job. Let's get 8 done. The locations of point B and C, help me read. The locations of point B and C on the number line represent decimal numbers. Explain why the value of point C is greater than the value of point B. Okay, well, this is worth 66 cents, right? If we think about it in terms of money, this is 66 cents, and this is 70 cents. So the value of 0.70 can be explained as, on a number line, the value are greater as you move to the right. That's all we needed to write. Let's go to 9. Compare 0.37 to 0.4. I'm going to rewrite the 0.4 and expand it out to include that 0 that they hid from us. And on a number line, let's practice writing it on a number line. We're going to start with 0.36. And I'm actually going to write them this direction. Okay, and I'm going to plot 40 here, and I'll plot 37. It's the same thing that we already explained in question 7. Anything moving up to the right on the number line is increasing in value. Luana, is 40 cents greater or less than 37 cents? Greater. I'll put a greater than sign. Let's write it in fraction form right underneath it to get better. Is it in the tenths place or the hundredths place, Caleb? Is it in the tenths place or the hundredths place? Perfect. If it's in the hundredths place, we put 100 underneath this.